In this video, I adorn the hat of a business product manager and talk about whether adding an AI feature in your product impacts revenue or not. Last week, I talked about AI wrappers and how they're going to explode. In case you missed that video, the link to the video is in the comments. The example that we'll take is a simple e commerce app where users browse categories, search for items, compare prices, and then buy. So let's introduce an AI assistant to help shoppers with discovering products easily, reduce their decision making friction, have faster checkouts, and better discounts for them. Now, shoppers are looking to discover products easily. And given this AI assistant, which has context of what you've bought previously, your patterns, what are your preferences, what is the price point where you convert, it has all the context of your buying behavior. Now, after shoppers have found the relevant products, the decision making needs to be faster and smoother. So, this is where the AI assistant can summarize reviews, it can even compare options and answer any doubts that the shopper may have. And once the doubts are cleared and the decision is made, the AI assistant can also help with faster checkouts. Now, shoppers are perpetually looking for discounts and targeted offers. So, this is where the AI assistant can help personalize the targeted offers to the shoppers. So, while enhancing the shopper experience, how does this translate into commercial impact for the business? The increased product visibility might see better add to cart rates and better inventory turnovers. The reduction in the friction of the decision making for a shopper can also improve the checkout rates. Faster checkouts would obviously mean more successful transactions and also increased revenue per session. Faster checkouts would and the discounts and the bundled offers would mean increased average order value and obviously more effective cross sells and upsells. Since we are specifically talking about the impact on the revenue metrics, the three metrics that we could look at is obviously the gross merchandise value, the revenue per visitor, and the average order value. The hero metric to focus on would be the revenue per visitor, and we can show how the AI assistant is improving this by enhancing both conversion and the average order value for a shopper. Now, obviously, there are some basic assumptions taken to understand the impact on metrics, which is that as an e commerce business, there is baseline data already available and tracked accurately. The AI assistant has been introduced and is easy to find for the shoppers. The adoption of the AI assistant is also in double digits, preferably, and the overall traffic to the e commerce site is steady. So once you start tracking, then you also start measuring, which can be over a period of short term, which is 4 to 6 weeks, and then mid-term, 6 to 12 weeks, and then long term, which is 6 months and above. So, yes, having an AI feature can impact revenue, but to conclude, the AI feature needs to be adopted well by shoppers. It should be genuinely helpful and it must be continuously optimized and improvised based on the usage. Next up, can an AI feature impact revenue for a subscription based product? See, in e commerce, it's mostly clear, but in subscriptions, it definitely gets a little trickier. So, in my next video, I'll talk about a subscription product. Stay tuned for the next one, and thank you for watching.